Look, we all want to be that dude that looks different to women, that stands out, especially with social media. You better believe it that if you're after a pretty girl, she has 100 other dudes in her DMs. I get it, you want to stand out. And thankfully you stopped by the right video where your boy is going to help you out. See, I'm going to show you everything you got to be doing to look better than they do. Let's hop into this. Number one, use nose strips. See, something that all young guys have in common, for whatever reason, your nose pores, they look nasty. The pores are big, they're clogged, you got all those little blackheads, and see, when you're this close with a girl, and I'm talking this intimately close, you don't want your nose to be oily, big pored, or with big blackheads. You want it to look smooth and clean. One move most guys aren't doing, using nose strips. This is where you get that competitive advantage. See, taking care of your skin is important. Doing this extra step is gonna remove all that, which is gonna cut the oil, close the pores, and remove the blackheads, and overall, make your skin look supple and soft. So when you are this close to a girl, she's gonna wanna get closer. Number two, stop buying items everybody else is wearing. As soon as you see every kid and their mother using that trend, you know it's too late. The masses have the trend, and you run the risk of looking just like them. Usually when a trend is at that peak, it means that it's played out and everybody has it and it's on its way out. Think skinny jeans, Yeezy 350s, Gucci belts. Those are those peak trends that the masses are already wearing, that by the time that you buy them, like, it's already on its way out. Instead, invest in timeless staples. Simple basics, pieces that you know look good, fit good, make you feel good, and that won't run out of style, that won't go out of style. See, this type of mentality not only saves you money, but makes you look different while everybody else is over here hype train riding. Number three, change up your hairstyle. See, if you're used to long hair, go to short hair. I actually lowered my hair a lot this last time because I wanted to change. I feel like it was a little too much volume on top. If you got short hair, try to go with long hair. And if you got no hair and you're going bald, try to grow it and bring it back. I know that sounds easier said than done, but all of these can be done. See, when you change up your hairstyle, it changes up how people perceive you, especially drastic changes. This is like day and night stuff that'll make people change how they see you. The easiest way to change up how you look is changing up your hairstyle. And when you talk to a good barber, they're gonna hook you up with something that's gonna structure your face shape, make you look better, and for a fact, make you look better than other dudes. So, for example, if you're losing your hair, like I said, you can grow it back or salvage it. With our sponsor Keeps, you can take action right now to keep that hair. So if everybody's known you as the guy that's losing their hair or balding, you can start to try to regrow or stop that hair loss today by taking action. See, with Keeps, they are revolutionizing the way that men treat hair loss. Most men, once they hit that stage, they just give up. They're like, oh, well, I'm just gonna let nature take its course. And the sad part is that a lot of men go through this. 2 in 3 men will face some sort of hair loss by the time that they're 35. So it's not this weird thing that only happens to a few men. A lot of men will go through this. So instead of letting nature take its course, Keeps is trying to make it easy for guys to stop it and bring it back. See, with Keeps, you get prescribed the only 2 FDA generic medications that have been proven to stop hair loss and in some occasions even regrow some of that lost hair. But the difference is that with Keeps, these medications are the most affordable you'll find from any competitor, and Keeps has the most 5-star reviews than any of its competitors. And that's for a reason. You can do everything from the comfort of your home. See, from the comfort of your home, you can schedule a consultation. A doctor will look at your profile and your problems. Then they will prescribe the medication that you need for your problems, and then that medication gets delivered to your door. Like, it is the easiest process to do. So if you or you know somebody like your father, your uncle, your brother, your bro that's dealing with hair loss, that wants some of his confidence back and wants to stop his hair loss now, you guys need to check out Keeps. See, if you guys click the link down below or go to keeps.com/TMF, you're gonna get a special offer, limited time just for you guys to get started. The earlier you start, the more hair you get to keep. And don't just take my word for it. Look at these before and after. You're like, they don't play. The results speak for themselves, and this is something you can do to look better than other dudes. Number 4, use a black t-shirt. Look, this is like a superpower, and it's not even fair. I don't care what you got on. A button down, a regular colored tee. I don't care what it is. You throw on a fitted black tee, it's game over. You automatically look more jacked. You look more athletic. Your skin is popping. See, the contrast between the black of the shirt and the color of your skin makes your skin pop even more, so it looks better. You throw on a black t-shirt, you automatically look better than other dudes. Number 5, take care of your skin. And by this, I'm talking about use a facial moisturizer. So many guys are walking around with dry, flaky, oily skin, not knowing that their one solution, the only thing they need to add is a moisturizer. Yes, I mean, you need to wash it and all that stuff, but see, a moisturizer is interesting. See, what a moisturizer does is that it seals in or locks in the hydration in your skin to make sure it's not dry and it's not flaky all day. But overall, it also cuts the oil. Surprisingly, what happens is that when your skin feels that it's hydrated, it cuts the oil glands and it avoids them from overproducing oil. So, applying moisturizer to your skin early in the morning will make sure that your skin looks glowy. It looks soft, it looks supple without it ever looking flaky, dry, and oily. And finally, number 6, you gotta be confident. It is hard to look better than other dudes if you're intimidated by them or you feel inferior to them. It's not that you're better than them, it's that you feel confident. If they feel insecure, that is their problem. But in here, you gotta walk confident. I don't care what you're wearing, the black tea taking care of your skin, you smell good. You could be doing the whole 9. But if you're not walking confident, it's game over for you. You're gonna become one of the masses. What you have to understand is that you're not the only one that's insecure up here. Every single person, and I'm talking every single person under the sun, has their own insecurities that they deal with. So if you can fight your own insecurities and automatically look more confident, even if it's just an act on the outside, you will stand out and you will be looking better than other dudes because they're still fighting with their insecurities. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Those are 6 tricks you can do to look better than they do. That's it from me today. See you next time.